Welcome to the Fall 2022 edition of Watch the E-Globe. Hello everyone, my name is Kartika, a Spring 2022 MPP student.
And I'm Kobe, a Fall 2022 MDP student.
Kobe, we may have new viewers to our series, so could you briefly tell us what kind of program Watch the E-Globe is?
Absolutely. Started in May 2021, Watch the E-Globe shares interesting information about what's been going on at the KDI School outside the classroom.
Awesome. So, to start off the fall edition of Watch the E-Globe, we would like to mention that a number of students have very recently finished their studies this fall semester. The completion ceremony was held here at KDI School on 16th of December 2022. Congratulations to all of the completing and graduating students.
On December 16th, the day of the graduation ceremony, the KDI School Year Zine, The Globe, was also published. Have you seen it?
Yes, sure.
It featured so many interesting articles, including the 25th anniversary special articles this year.
It was really fun, and for our YouTube viewers, the ebook version will be released soon, so I really recommend you to check it out when it is.
Following that, the farewell event hosted by the Student Affairs was also held on the same day with the theme Winter Wonderland. It brought together students with lots of fun activities such as music, dance, lucky draws, photo booth sessions, and many more.
I was actually one of the completing students this semester, and it was indeed such a nice and memorable thing to be able to spend time with our friends before we depart to our home countries.
Congratulations on your completion. I believe you learned a lot and made good memories at KDI School.
Thank you, Kobe.
Tika, are you aware that KDI School recently celebrated its 25th anniversary?
Yes, KDI School celebrated its 25th anniversary this year, and there were several events and workshops held to commemorate this special occasion. The main anniversary ceremony was held on December 5th, 2022, with an opening remarks from Dean Jong Il-yu and several congratulatory remarks from partner institutions. They also revealed the new slogan in this ceremony.
What do you think about the new slogan, Tika? KDI School, where the difference begins.
I think it's a very well composed and meaningful slogan. I really feel the meaning of this slogan when I look back at my time at KDI School. I definitely am different now compared to me a year ago, and I'm ready to bring back this difference to Indonesia.
On the same day as the anniversary ceremony, the Alumni Homecoming Night was also held. For the homecoming event, distinguished alumni from all over the world, including the first batch of 1998, were welcomed back to campus. Currently enrolled students also participated in this event and had inspirational conversations with the alumni.
The congratulatory speech given by one of the 1998 alumni was quite meaningful. Shall we take a moment to listen?
So, school was small with only 13 foreign students and 40 Koreans. Overall 53 students. Donatas was telling me this morning that I probably had like 2-to-1 professor-student ratio. I still remember this vibrant mood in our school and seeing the sparkle in our professors' eyes, all of them, fueled by this vision. Oxford Dictionary defines vision as ability to think about a plan or a future with imagination and wisdom. I guess looking at our school success in the last 25 years, no one in this room would question that school's founders and faculty were real visionaries. Thank you.
That was deep. KDI School reaching the 25th anniversary is amazing, and I look forward to seeing how much the school will grow in the next 25 years. See you at the 50th anniversary homecoming night.
Another important 25th year anniversary event was the Global Governance and Diplomacy Workshop that was held on 28 November 2022. This workshop focused on listening to other countries' policy implementation in addressing global issues, with the invited speakers being key figures from different foreign embassies in Korea, including Brazil, Indonesia, India, the UK, and many more.
And yes, KDI School always has fun and interesting ways to share its values of cultural diversity and togetherness among students. KDI brought the taste of the world to our lips again this year with the annual International Food Festival. It featured 36 countries showcasing different types of foods and beverages to share with the KDI community.
We had a total number of 11 teams sharing 65 different dishes from all around the world. After visiting all the stands, it felt like I just traveled the globe in just 15 minutes. Aside from the International Food Festival, we also had Sports Day. Kobe, did you participate in it this semester?
Yes, I love sports and my team, Team Yellow, actually won the competition.
Oh, congratulations!
There were so many fun games including strategic tug of war, minefield and a six-legged race. It was refreshing to see the Associate Dean, professors and staff members within the KDI School community representing their various teams and connecting outside the traditional classroom setting to have fun and compete in a friendly environment filled with love. As part of giving back to society and the Sejong City, KDI School invited members in the Sejong City as well as alumni to join the KDI's community in this year's Plogging Day.
Participants joke around the local neighborhood area and in the process also pick up litter they found along the way. This was to encourage members of the community to join the global fight for climate action.
After returning to campus with the trash, there was an upcycling craft experience for participants who were taught how to make some handiwork such as lamps using recycled materials.
So, what was your favorite activity this semester, Kobe?
Let me see. I don't think I can choose one, trust me, there were so many of them.
I know, right? Me too. Aside from all the events and activities held by the school, this semester forum and club representatives were very active in initiating events and programs throughout the semester. There was so many collaboration made between forums and clubs in order to reach more participants and wider audiences. So we almost never run out of exciting events to join each week. I would say my calendar was full this semester.
There were also many campaigns done throughout these events. I remember the month of October was for breast cancer awareness and November was for the International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women. It was heartwarming to see many clubs and forums join hands to promote important causes and movements in the community.
KDI School students don't just play hard, they also study hard too. In fact, there were a lot of academic activities this semester.
Of course, KDI School organized a special event called the KDI School Policy Seminar that brought together all of the student forums, with each of them preparing special presentations on specific policy issues. The Dean and several professors gave their own comments on each of these presentations, and the audience were also encouraged to engage in the discussions as well. The seminar served as a valuable opportunity for students to improve their policy analysis ability and further promote communications with the Dean and the faculty of KDI School.
Awesome. Kobe, I think that KDI School provides much more than just theory-based knowledge to students. It also creates an environment for us to get a hands-on experience with problem solving, right?
Of course. There was an innovative project brought on board by the Data Science Division called the Machine Learning for Social Sciences. This course taught students how to apply machine learning to real-world problems.
There was also a post-class session where 11 students from this course were given a chance to present their research to a poster session. Let's hear what Professor Jae-hyuk Park and some of his students had to say about this event.
Yes, I definitely think that every student in social science needs to understand data, and through the class of machine learning, they can actually challenge themselves, not only stay maybe in the basic level, but they can challenge themselves to learn more and understand the concept better.
This class gave me a great opportunity to try to learn more about machine learning and to have an actual application. I like to think that my project of classifying gender based on Hanja names, Hanja-based Korean names as a success. I probably won't use the same methodology, but the general knowledge that I did receive, I want to try and apply it to my SRP or thesis, which I intend on starting next term.
The diverse background and real-world expertise of our students is one of the best assets our KDI School has. In that perspective, this event can provide students a great opportunity to apply the state-of-the-art computational techniques like machine learning to real-world socio-economic issues. So I hope in the end, it can attract more people, students, both inside and outside of school to our data science program. Thank you.
Tika, Are you aware that our K-Developedia platform has marked its 10th anniversary this year?
Yes, sure, I have heard about that. In fact, there was a special conference commemorating the 10-year anniversary that was held in October 2022. K-Developedia is a platform that was initially created to share knowledge of the Korean development experience. However, after many years of growth, it has evolved to include research papers related to other countries on many other topics, such as Korean geopolitics, political polarization, and tax economics.
I think it's such an amazing development of the platform. Ding Yu also mentioned that with this development, K-Developedia might be able to engage in new explorations of Korea's past and provide new social perspectives to current knowledge.
Well, that brings us to the end of our segment today. Thank you for joining us for the Fall 2022 semester recap of Watch the Igloo.
Stay tuned for the spring edition, and until next time, please stay healthy and safe.
Lastly, Happy New Year to you all!
And wishing you a great 2023. I've been your uncle, Kobe.
And I'm Kartika.
Signing off.
Ciao,
Ciao, ciao.
So, you cut your hair in Itaewon?
Of course.
All the way.
Yes.
This is so awkward. We are friends actually. Don't worry.